and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can give someone access to your Google Calendar. So in the first step, open the web browser, then type in the Google Calendar, and if you are on the mobile phone, use the shareable online calendar icon to avoid the redirect to the app. Now just log into your account, and now you're in the home page. Then click on the calendar that you want to share. Choose the settings and sharing, and slide down to the share with specific people. Now enter the mail for the person that you want to give access to managing your calendar. Then click on the send icon, and now in the permissions, expand this window and go to the make change and manage sharing. And that's it. Now someone can access your Google Calendar. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.